Good morning, everyone.
The aggressiveness of China has been several years in the making already. And I believe that China's design for the region does not American leader. It depends on its own plan of action in the region, its own, to our minds, to its own expansionist activities, its own need to control the area. So I believe that although there is a factor on American pushback on China, we see too that this design by China is predetermined by their own leader, irrespective of who an American leader is. I feel that the prospect of war is it's not imminent. I believe it is remote, but that would entirely depend entirely upon the internal conditions of China. Insofar as the Philippines is concerned, we are not allowed by our constitution to seek war as an instrument of national policy. What we are doing is to create, just like Singapore does, a credible deterrence coupled with diplomacy. You can't have diplomacy without a credible deterrent force. And what we are doing is merely putting a stop as best as we can to the illegal incursions of China, of which I do not think any country in the world supports, meaning to say the 9, 10, or 11 dash line. I do not think it has any basis, and the world is united, some more vocal than others, in not supporting this narrative.
Thank you, Secretary. Thank you.